नमस्कार, मैं सोनिया अडवाणी और आप हैं सोनियास क्लासरूम में। आज लेसन 6 द फाइट के क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करवाऊंगी। पिछले वीडियो में मैंने पूरा लेसन हिंदी में आपको समझा दिया था। जो बच्चे नए जुड़ रहे हैं मेरे साथ उनके लिए बता दूं, मैं आजकल सीबीएसई क्लास 8th इंग्लिश की सप्लीमेंट्री रीडर इट्स सो हैपेंड के सारे लेसन्स करवा रही हूं। उसी कड़ी में आज लेसन 6 द फाइट के एक्सरसाइज और क्वेश्चन आंसर्स करवाऊंगी। कॉम्प्रिहेंशन चेक से शुरू करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, इन व्हाट वे इज द फॉरेस्ट पूल डिफरेंट फ्रॉम द वन विच रंजी न्यू इन द राजपुताना डेजर्ट? आंसर, द पूल विच रंजी न्यू इन द राजपुताना डेजर्ट was sticky and muddy where buffaloes wallowed and women washed clothes, whereas the forest pool was clean and cold. The forest pool did not dry up like the pool at Rajputana during hot summers. Question 2. The other boy asked Ranji to explain himself. Part 1. What did he expect Ranji to say? Answer. The other boy expected Ranji to be frightened and feel sorry. Part 2. Was he, in your opinion, right or wrong to ask this question? Answer. He was wrong to ask this question. The pool was not his property. Question 3. Between Ranji and the other boy, who is trying to start a quarrel? Give a reason for your answer. Answer. It was the other boy who was trying to start the quarrel. He threatened to beat Ranji if he didn't run away from the pool. Question 4. Then we will have to continue the fight, said the other. Part 1. What made him say that? Answer. Suraj said these words as he was too tired to continue the fight that day. Even Ranji was not ready to accept the defeat. So Suraj proposed to continue the fight next day. Part 2. Did the fight continue? If not, why not? Answer. The fight did not continue the next day. Suraj was awed by Ranji's clean dive in the pool, so he dropped the idea of fighting and asked Ranji to teach him to dive. Ranji agreed and later they became friends. अब comprehension check 2 के questions. First question, what is it that Ranji finds difficult to explain at home? Answer, there were many cuts and bruises on his face, leg and arms which Ranji found difficult to explain at home. Question 2, Ranji sees his adversary in the bazaar. Part 1. What does he wish to do? Answer. When Ranji sees his adversary in the bazaar, his first impulse was to ignore him. Then he thought of throwing the lemonade bottle at his enemy. In the end, he only scowled at his passing adversary. Part 2. What does he actually do and why? Answer. He scowls at Suraj to show his hatred. Question 3. Ranji is not at all eager for a second fight. Why does he go back to the pool then? Answer. Ranji goes to the pool because he cannot refuse a challenge. Not going to the pool could simply indicate that he has accepted his defeat. As long as he fights, he has a right to the forest pool. Question 4. Who was the better swimmer? How do you know it? Answer. Ranji was the better swimmer. That was why Suraj was awed with his skill. He forgot the fight and asked him to teach him to dive. Question 5. What surprises the warrior? Answer. The warrior is surprised at the clean dive which Ranji had executed. Question 6. Now that they are at the pool, why don't they continue the fight? Answer. Suraj was surprised at the clean dive of Ranji, so he forgets about the fight and wishes to learn this art from Ranji. They became friends, so they didn't continue the fight. Question 7. Ranji's superiority over the other boy is obvious in the following: physical strength, good diving, his being a fighter, sense of humor, swimming underwater, making a good point, willingness to help. Underline the relevant phrases. Children, you can underline good diving, sense of humor, swimming underwater and willingness to help. Question 8. What according to you makes the two adversaries turn into good friends in a matter of minutes? Explain it as you have understood it. Answer. According to me, Ranji was tired of fighting. He has come to the pool the next day only to keep self-respect. So when he finds that Suraj is in awe with his swimming skills, He readily agrees to teach him the same. They agree that the best solution is to learn from each other. Like this, they became friends and discontinued the fight. Now, first question from the book exercise. Is fighting the only way of resolving differences of opinion? What else can be done to reach a mutually acceptable settlement? Answer. Fighting can never resolve differences of opinions. Differences can be resolved only through communication. If necessary, both the parties might seek the help of a third party also who is unbiased and trusted by both the parties involved in quarreling. Question 2. Have you ever been in a serious fight only to realize later that it was unnecessary and futile? Share your experience views with others frankly and honestly. इस क्वेश्चन का आंसर आप लोग सब अपने एक्सपीरियंस के ऊपर दीजिएगा, जैसा भी आपने कभी अपने लाइफ में एक्सपीरियंस किया हो. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन पे बढ़ते हैं. थर्ड क्वेश्चन. Why do some of us find it necessary to prove that we are better than others? Will you be amused or annoyed to read the following sign at the back of the car in front of you? I may be going slow, but I am ahead of you. Answer. Some of us find it necessary to prove that they are better than others. I think they do this to satisfy their egos. These kind of people are always keen to prove their worth. Maybe they suffer from some kind of inferiority complex which brings this comparison in their minds. I will be amused to see this sign in front of me because I don't find anything in it to get annoyed of. His car, his choice. बच्चों, कुछ एडिशनल क्वेश्चंस भी आंसर्स के साथ बता रही हूँ जो मुझे इंपॉर्टेंट लगे. फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. हाउ द फाइट बिटवीन सूरज एंड रंजी एंडेड ऑन द फर्स्ट डे? आंसर. द फाइट बिटवीन द टू went violent. It continued in the water also, but after 5 minutes of frenzied struggle, neither boy emerged victorious. Their bodies heaved with exhaustion. They stood back from each other, making tremendous efforts to speak. Neither of them was willing to accept defeat. Then Suraj proposed to continue the fight the next day and Ranji agreed to it. This is how the first day's fight ended. Second question. Any better title that you can suggest for this story? Answer. The Pool, Enemies Turning Friends, Friendship by the Pool, or The Two Fighters. There can be many such titles. आप लोगों को जो भी आपके दिमाग में आए आप बता सकते हैं. बच्चों, इसी के साथ ये चैप्टर समाप्त होता है. आप लोगों को अगर मेरा पढ़ाना अच्छा लगता है तो प्लीज़ डू ज्वाइन माई क्लासरूम बाय सब्सक्राइबिंग टू माई चैनल सोनियाज क्लासरूम एंड ऑल्सो डोंट फॉरगेट टू प्रेस द बेल आइकन. आप मेरे बाकी के अपलोड्स भी चेक कर सकते हैं. आपको अपने कोर्स के काफ़ी सारे लेसन्स उसमें मिल जाएंगे. तो जल्द मिलते हैं एक नए लेसन के साथ. तब तक विदा दीजिए. नमस्कार.